Bakit may mga reporting na tama naman ang information pero parang walang nakikinig? Simple. Hindi laging problema ang topic. Minsan, delivery. So kung ayaw maging PowerPoint reader sa next reporting mo, listen to this. First tip, huwag basahin lahat ng nasa slide. PowerPoint is your guide, not your script. Keywords lang ang ilagay mo. Then explain it using your own words. Mas natural at mas makikita na naiintindihan mo talaga ang topic. Second, huwag kabisaduhin lahat. Kapag minemorize mo word for word, isang nakalimutang sentence lang, panic na. Instead, understand the main idea. Kapag naiintindihan mo, kahit iba ang words mo, kaya mong mag-explain. Third, look at your audience. Okay lang tumingin sa PowerPoint. Pero kapag katapos mong basahin ang keyword, look back at your classmates and explain. Parang nakikipag-usap ka lang. Fourth, slow down. Kapag kinakabahan tayo, bumibilis tayo magsalita. So pause, breathe, then continue. Hindi ibig sabihin na tumigil ka ay nakalimutan mo na. Sometimes, pauses make you look more confident. And lastly, don't try too hard to sound smart. Simple words are okay. Ang goal ng reporting ay hindi para ipakita kung gaano karami ang alam mo. Ang goal ay, maiintindihan ba nila ako? So remember, don't just read. Explain. Don't just memorize. Understand. Don't just look at the screen. Connect with your audience. Because a good reporter doesn't just know the topic. A good reporter knows how to make others understand it. So next time na magre-report ka, pwede mong gawin ang mga binigay ko sa iyong tips. Thank you, everyone!